Oh man, Pepe coin, the latest meme craze. This is a coin which last week rose by over 1,300%. Can this project 1,000x from where we're at today? Is this a coin? Is this a meme coin which is worth having a little bit of a play with right now? We're going to get into the video, guys. We're going to look at some of the risks, some of the mathematics involved, because a lot of people just jump into a craze like this, and I have nothing wrong with meme coins. Like, the reality is, if you want to start investing in crypto and meme coins, that's absolutely fine. There's a lot of creators out there that want to sit on a moral high ground and say, oh no, don't be a meme coin, go into Bitcoin and build your portfolio. If you've been watching my channel, you know I'm all for building sustainable, pragmatic wealth in crypto. But if you want to start out with a meme coin and do so sensibly, which we're going to get into this video as well, that's okay. If that's your gateway to get introduced into crypto, so be it. So many people got introduced into crypto through Shiba or Dogecoin, and guess what? They go on to now build very good portfolios with Bitcoin and other projects as well. So we're going to get into how to do this, because a lot of you who are searching for Pepe coin, your friend told you about it, you've heard about this crazy return, and you're sitting there thinking, well, how does this thing work? Like, can we actually get a 1000x? We're going to break that down for you here. Now, first and foremost, the chart I'm showing you is obviously Pepe versus Rapti. You can also take a look at the US dollar chart, because remember, this is available on BitGet. If you guys do want to trade this, which of course you have to be very, very careful and only risk what you're willing to lose, particularly on a meme coin like this, you can use my link to BitGet, links in the description. That is an affiliate link which supports the channel, and you can trade various different cryptos over there. Now, what is the basis of Pepe? Well, the first basis of this is obviously on the meme craze, right? They're saying here the most memeable meme coin in existence. And if you go through here, we're going to get into the tokenomics shortly, but what I do want to share with you is a roadmap. So they want to launch, they want to get onto CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, which they've done. They then want to get a bunch of exchange listings, which we're going to get into shortly. And then phase 2 is all about then doing community partnerships and then start doing, merchandise, academy, Pepe tours. The reality is, with meme coins, the roadmaps very rarely matter. What's more important is, do the founding team have the ability to keep the hype up? With a project like this, it's about keeping the trading volume up to keep the hype up. If it starts to dry out, you'll see the price will just tumble down. This is the weekly chart I'm showing you here, but let's come on to the hourly, and you can start to see this is the action you've had. You've had a crazy move up, and it's managed to maintain it. This is phenomenal here. For those who are thinking, oh, this is disappointing, for a meme coin to hold this level after such a crazy run up, this is really impressive consolidation. And the question is, can they now take this hype to the next level? That's what they're going to want to do. If you want to look at this, the best thing to do is jump over to CoinMarketCap, type in Pepe. You can see, make sure you get the right one, right? And the way you find out if you're getting the right one is you always go through the original source and you check on the website. So for example, here, I clicked into the Pepe website, how to buy, you follow the instructions, and obviously you will then find out, because there'll be a lot of scams. You've got to be very careful that you don't buy fake versions of the coin that you're looking for. So when it says how to buy, you can go ahead, get it set up. So you can come over to here to Dex Tours, and what you can see here is it tells you what is the contract. So you can see this is the Ethereum contract. You can copy that, ends in 1933. You come on over to here, which is your CoinMarketCap. You can also click on Markets, this Markets tab, and straight away you can see where to buy it. So originally, and this is where the extra alpha is, some of the best meme coins originally don't have centralized exchange listings yet, right? So the people who made that crazy 1000x, they were going on to Uniswap, which is a little bit harder for people. You need a MetaMask wallet, you need to go into a decentralized exchange, which is Uniswap, and purchase it. For people who are new to crypto, that's difficult, which is why now the next phase of the pump on a coin like this can come in, which is when it gets listed on centralized exchanges. And they've gone ahead and listed on a bunch. They got Huobi, they got Gate.io, they got BitGet, like I explained, link in the description, Mexi. There's a lot of different exchanges now which allow you to buy Pepe token, which is very interesting. But now we need to get into some of the tokenomics, because as you can see above my head, there is a crazy number of these coins. No coincidence that it's 420.69. Obviously, that's meme culture as well. So it's 420 trillion. That's a trillion, guys. Trillion, not a billion. Okay, that's a billion. That's a trillion. 420 trillion of these tokens in circulating supply. And remember, this is self-reported. Nobody's audited this. Nobody's verified this. That's what's currently out there. The volume is sitting at about 42 million being traded every 24 hours. Okay, that's reasonable. And they've managed to grow from 0 to now 140 million in market cap, which is very interesting. And so now the question is, well, how big can this get, right? Where can we get to on this project? Well, in order to do that, what we need to understand is who can we compare this project to? And the most natural place to compare Pepe to as a meme category coin is to compare it to the ultimate meme coin, which is Dogecoin in terms of market cap. Dogecoin currently in the midst of this bear market is sitting at about $11 billion in market cap. So in order for Pepe to reach the current market cap of Dogecoin, it would roughly need to about 80x from where it is at currently. So all of these people shouting, you know, it's going to go to a 1000x, like, you've got to be realistic. Let's compare it to another project. Another project you can compare it to naturally is Shiba. Okay, now with Shiba, what you want to look at is what's the market cap? 6 billion roughly. So again, for it to get to that size, it would need to about 42x to get to Shiba size. So already you can see if it does another 42x from here, if it does another 80x from here, you're getting to the Shiba size and then the Dogecoin size in a bear market. Now, where the crazy returns can come is if you think Pepe can be a better coin than Dogecoin in the next bull market, if it's going to be the meme coin of the next bull market. Because the reality is, if you go into Dogecoin and you go to their market cap, okay, section, and you look at the all-time market cap on Dogecoin, it sits at 85 billion. So at the peak, Dogecoin hit $85 billion in market cap. Now, for Pepe to reach that, which is 85 billion in market cap, that would imply a 607x. So a 607x would mean a huge return on Pepe coin, needless to say. But can it 1000x? So that now puts into perspective, in order for it to be 1000x, you would need it to be almost double the size Dogecoin was in its bull market peak. Okay, so this is no mean feat. This is it'd have to be the best meme coin going into a big bull market next year in order to get your 1000x. Now, are 10x is possible? Are 20x is possible? Absolutely. With a meme coin, those are the kind of returns you can get. But there are so many people sitting there shouting out, oh, this is just going to get to 1000x. So I wanted to put that into perspective for you guys. Would I buy this coin? Would I buy into a meme coin? With any meme coin, guys, you can never rule out buying them. If you want to have a bit of fun and you want to buy some meme coins, that is your prerogative. But there's one thing I would say. Do this as a bit of discipline. This is sometimes what I do. If I find myself taking a little bit of a fun play on a meme coin like Dogecoin or Shiba or anything else that may come up, look, we're all humans. We get excitable. We want to do little trades like that. Go for it. But eat your veg, right? If you're going to put a certain percentage, a small amount, please make it a small amount. Do not go crazy into any of these projects. They're all crazy and they can drop just as quickly as they rise. Do yourself a favor and eat some veg. So if you're going to put, you know, a few percent in a coin like this, go make sure you're buying some Bitcoin or some Ethereum or something more stable. If it's not even crypto, go buy something more stable, right? If you want to buy some commodities, you want to buy some stocks, you want to buy some real estate, you want to do something in your business, fine. But invest a little bit somewhere else as well, just to negate the risk you're taking with one of these projects. That's the schematic and the heuristic I like to use. Let me know, what are you thinking, guys? Are you going to jump into this coin? Be very, very careful. Does it have legs? All depends on the hype. All depends on the team. Can they keep the hype going? Does the social hype keep going? It's not to do with technical analysis. It's not to do with fundamental analysis. You do have to make sure the tokenomics stack up, which one thing which is positive so far with Pepe coin is the tokenomics do look a lot more positive than we saw with the likes of Dogecoin and Shiba. You know that the distribution of coins with Dogecoin and Shiba looks, you know, very skewed in one favor. For example, Shiba gave a bunch of coins to Vitalik, who then gave it to charity. Huge mess. We know Dogecoin has a lot of tokens in a few wallets. Here it is a lot better distributed. 93% of the tokens are put into the liquidity pool, and only 6.9% is being controlled by a multi-sig wallet by the team for future centralized exchange listings. That's always a positive. So if you're going to invest in a little bit of a meme coin, always look for those things. You know, those little tax rules that they have. This one doesn't have any of that. Like, there's no fee if you want to sell it, which is positive. So it seems like a very simple, basic meme coins. No, not complicated. You buy it, there's a fixed supply, and no one single wallet seems to have a lot. So it does check those boxes. But at the end of the day, it's still a meme coin. Let me know, guys, in the comments if you're going to be buying, if you're going to be participating in this game. Let me know if you hold any other meme coins as well. Don't forget to smash some likes. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to learn the difference between trading and investing for real, go watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one.